What did you think of your Glitza experience today?
I thought it was great fun, it was brilliant, it was amazing, you could use it on so many different things. Yeah, it was just fantastic and the children loved it as well.
I can tell.
Yeah.
Did you find it difficult to apply Glitza?
No, really, really easy, really straightforward. I mean, my 4-year-old is in there doing it and she's, not having any difficulty at all, so it's brilliant for all ages.
Mm-hmm. Would you want to buy this for your children in the future or as gifts for their friends?
Yeah, I would, well, both.
Mm-hmm.
I'd definitely consider both. And I like the idea as well that you could have different themes, so you can buy one set and then you can come back and buy a different theme as well and use that and have a totally different effect.
Yeah, and where would you see this in stores? Like if you were out shopping here in Hong Kong, like which locations do you think you'd find it at?
I would think toy shops, bookshops, maybe stationery shops as well would be good.
Yeah. Where can you see yourself using Glitza in the future?
I would use it on stationery and my planner, journals, diaries and notebooks and things like that, personally.
And let's see, do you have any questions or concerns about the quality of the product or the way it's manufactured? Or
no, I mean obviously we've tried it before and I was really impressed that there wasn't any kind of reaction, that it lasted a really long time, which I was very surprised about. So basically it lasts as long as you want it to, and then if you want to take it off, you take it off. So it's not just it lasts for an hour or two, it's fantastic.
And what other events would you want to have Glitza for?
I think it'd be great for parties and like children's sleepovers and things. I'd definitely consider it for that. And it's something that the mother can do at the party. You don't have to bring someone in to do it. It's just really easy for us to do, or even the children can just do it themselves. So I think parties and things would be great.
Any other questions, comments, anything else you want to tell us here at Glitza?
I just think it's a fabulous product. I really, really like it. I love the fact you can use it on so many different things. It's so versatile. It's not just tattoos. You can use it on mugs and bags and clothing and shoes and everything. So not just for children, it's for adults as well. I just think it's great. I love it.